Hello everyone, myself Shubham Baranwal. Welcome to the installation and configuration of ROS in Ubuntu 14.04. Go to the website www.ros.org. Click on Getting Started and go to the Install tab. We need to install ROS Indigo, so just click on it. Now first of all we need to configure our Ubuntu repositories. You can simply follow the Ubuntu guide and make sure that all your restricted, universe and multiverse are checked out. Now we need to set up our computer so that it accepts software from packages.org. Open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. Copy the command and paste it in the terminal. It will ask for the user password. You can type your user password. Now the next step is to set up the keys. Copy the command provided in the terminal. Depending upon the net connection, it takes a bit of time, so I'm just it. Now we have received the key. So after setting up the key, now we have to update the Debian language. So update is done. Now we install the ROS. I'll recommend you to have full installation so that you don't have to install other packages later. Just simply copy the command. I'm again skipping the part as it takes a bit of time. So our next step is to initialize ROSDEP. ROS is a command line tool for installing system dependencies. It enables us to easily install the source we want to compile and is required to run some core components in ROS. Again, it will take some time to install, so I'm just skipping this part. Now after installation of ROSDEP, we need to update it. So simply write ROSDEP update and it will update the ROSDEP. Now our next task is to set up our environment. Just copy the command given in the website and it will set up our environment. Now if we have more than one version of ROS installed, we might want to change the environment of our current shell. So we can simply type ROS /opt /ROS /indigo /setup.bash. Now our last step is to install ROS install. ROS install is a command line tool that enables us to download many source trees for ROS packages. Just copy the command and paste it in the terminal. So our setup is done and configured. Now we'll check whether our installation has gone in the right way or not. So open the terminal and type ROS core. ROS core is the master node and it starts the ROS server. Now in the another terminal type ROS node list. You should get the output as follows. ROS out is always running. It collects and logs node debugging output. Now type ROS topic list and you should get the following output. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.